In this lesson, we'll be learning about ASCII art. ASCII art is the art of making images with text characters. So let's try doing it. To make ASCII art in Python, you need to write the print, like we normally do, but instead of using either double quotes or single quotes, you have to use 3 double quotes, like this. And then you need to separate out the brackets, like so. And between the 2 brackets, you can write your ASCII art. I'm going to make a simple image of a car, though you can make whatever you want. So for the roof, for making the behind of the car, and for making the front of the car, after which we can make maybe something like this. Then like this. We can make sort of tire here. Create this kind of floor. And then just to define the front, we use 2 of these. And then we can close it like this. Just move slightly ahead. Our tire. And just to add a little bit more detail, we can add something like this. And use underlines like this. So as you can see, we've made our very basic car. You can also make a road if you want. In this form, you can make any kind of picture which you want to make with text symbols. I'm going to make this basic road here as well, with which I'm just going to put the markings. Make sure that's not out of line. Remove that. And that's how you make ASCII art in Python. See you in the next lesson.